Hello students, welcome back. We are discussing 6th chapter of Civics Political Parties for class 10th. From this chapter, the first three topics, meaning of political parties, components of a political party and functions of political parties, we have already discussed in a last video. Here we are going to deal with a next topic, necessity of political parties. Let's start. Students, if the question is why do we need political parties, we can answer we need political parties because they perform all the 7 functions we have already discussed. But if the question is why modern democracy cannot exist without political parties, then we need to imagine a situation without political parties. What will be the situation in a country if there is no political parties? In that case, every candidate in the election will be independent. If a candidate will be independent, he would not be able to make any promises to the people about any major policy changes. In that case, government may be formed, but this kind of government's utility or usefulness will remain always uncertain or unstable because they will not have majority in their favor or control over the candidates. In this situation, elected candidates will be only responsible to their constituency or what they do in their locality. But no one will be responsible for whole country or how the country will run. Non-party based elections will also create some problems in panchayat elections. That is the reason we find political parties in almost all countries in the world, whether these countries are big or small, developed or developing. India, USA, UK, France, Germany, Canada, Australia, the major democratic countries have political parties. Even the dictatorship China too have at least one political party. Political parties are directly linked to the emergence of representative democracy. Representative democracy is also called indirect democracy. What is indirect democracy? Indirect democracy is when citizens elect representative to make laws for them. As we choose leader in our election for making decision for us. So India is a representative democracy. So we can say political parties are necessary for democracy. They bring various candidates together so that responsible government could be formed. They support or restrain the government in formulation of policies. So this is all about necessity of political parties. Students, I will suggest you to learn all these points in the exam because this question can be asked for 3 marks or 5 marks. Thank you for watching.